One of the most difficult shelving systems to fix is this floating shelf system. These companies who produce these don't recommend that it's fixed on plasterboard, because there's no fixing really suitable to fixing, but this newly developed fixing will provide a really strong fixing for them. Mark the position of the bracket, which is there. I've already fixed these two. Feed in, position the back plate. Position this fixing vertical, because that's where the loading is. Again, pulling firmly on the cord. Start the screw, you feel that by hand, pull firmly on the cord. Pull that out. Fix the two securing screws. Remove the center screw. Fix your bracket. And there's two little retaining screws, screw up to stop it pulling off like that. Tighten up. There we have it. There's various types of ways of fixing these. In this case, this one comes with a bracket like this, but some of these shelves comes with screws like this, and these are meant for to go in the studwork or brickwork. Now I'll demonstrate how to fix this using the GeeFix fixing. Now they don't pass through into the back plate, so you just start it, and these will then, the thread will self-tap through the plug into the back plate. So simply you tighten it. Now it's gone through the plug into the back plate, and then you simply get your shelf, which is all mounted, as I say, you've marked it all out, and you simply mount the shelf, and that's really strong.